Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models. I made another set of the creative metal construction buildings. This is set number 1229. And yes, you can make all 6 models out of this box. So let's go through our models. We have the tractor here. I think it's a pretty nice little tractor. Then our next one is called the Excavator. There's our Excavator. Then we got a Forklift. Then we got a Bulldozer. So here I guess is for a bulldozer where we push the stuff. Then we got our crane. And then we got a helicopter. Everything in this set is yellow except the helicopter is red. So that is the 6 models in the 6-in-1 kit. So let's pull the instruction sheet. So this is the instruction sheet. Each row makes 1 model. Then here's the second side with the additional 4 models. So that is 6 models with this creative metal kit. So let's see what I build next. Thank you very much from Chuck's Metal Models. Please like and subscribe and leave comments of what you think. Thank you.